Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Phonics. In this video, we are going to see about pre-writing skills, that is, writing readiness. So what are pre-writing skills and why it is so important? These are very basic skills that children need to develop before they can even start to write. If we force our children to start writing before they develop these skill sets, they'll get frustrated and there are chances that they don't even want to write. That is, they even resist writing itself, which in turn affects their self-esteem and academic performance as well. Hence, these are very important. So these skills involves ability of a child to hold and use a pencil. That is, how much pressure you have to put on the paper, how to hold a pencil. Usually, tripod method is a very recommended method to hold a pencil. So those things and all will cover here. And also ability of a child to hold a pencil to draw or color or write anything on a paper. So what is the right age to introduce pre-writing skills for children? Actually, it is a normal process, that is natural process. Toddlers and preschoolers, they develop their skills naturally by drawing, by scribbling, by imitating letters or shapes. All this will start naturally by age 2. If not, you have to help them. What are the activities to improve these pre-writing skills? Yes, tracing shapes, coloring, joining the dots, copying lines and drawing are all very good pre-writing tasks for your child. And there are some other tasks which includes working with Play-Doh, writing or drawing on a vertical surface like a blackboard, sliding beads on a string, writing in the sand. Not only in the sand, you can also use rice or flour or any other grains or something you can use for sensory beans. Those things we can use to make them write. Also, you can prepare some squishy bags. Take any flour of your choice, maybe wheat or maida, it's your choice completely. Take some flour, add some color, any food color and make it like a paste with water and put that in a Ziploc bag. That bag will act as a squishy bag. Writing on this bag is not only fun but also very helpful in developing their finger strength and grip and also memory. We can also improve their finger strength by giving them containers or jars to open, and we can also let them do some crafts using old boxes, old paper, etc. Scissor skills are very important to improve their finger strength, but with parental guidance. And finally, construction toys and blocks. I've mentioned very few activities here. You can check on the internet, there are lots of activities there. You can try anything which is very suitable for you and your kid. But more than any of these activities, the main thing is encourage your kid to do a lot of things. Like they can play, they can do crafts, they can play with the dough, they can draw something, they can color something. Encourage them to do. Give them your love and support always, and always be there for them. This will take them to any heights. And here I have mentioned some pre-writing shapes as per their age. So kindly check on this. If your kids can copy these shapes which is mentioned here as per their age, they can very well start to write. That is, they are ready to start writing. I've also added a link to the free downloadable material in the description box. Please use if you need that. Hope this video is useful and please subscribe for more educational videos for preschoolers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DIY Phonics.